How did you grow? What did you learn during that year of traveling and exploring? And what role does that play right now in your life?
I took the sabbatical mostly just to have fun. Okay, I've been working for 9 years. I'm pretty young right now. I've been working for a bunch of years. Honestly, whenever I went into the sabbatical, it wasn't to try something, learn something. It was like, hey, I want to have fun. I'm a young guy. I want to have fun. So that was really the intent going into it. And I had a lot of fun. I wasn't trying to learn too many things or put too much pressure on myself. Maybe now if I do a sabbatical, I would have, hey, I want to learn these 2 or 3 things. They'll probably make it more structured. But that time, yeah, I just wanted to have fun. I had fun. The learnings really well, having the courage to be able to go out for yourself, right? This might be much easier, say, in the Western world. But like Indian culture doesn't really do that, right? For a lot of people, hey, you travel by yourself, don't you have friends? That's really the image associated with it, right? So breaking that, being able to go out by myself, being able to have fun by myself, making friends where I go, going out to lunch by myself, I think a lot of those things help you grow as an individual, build confidence in you. It helped me like go out and make more friends.